Yeah, hi everyone. So this is Ravindra Pasula. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about TensorFlow variables. That means how to create a variable, how to initialize the variable. Then after that, we discuss about how to add two variables and different mathematical operations we'll discuss. Okay. Now first of all, coming to the variable in TensorFlow. So a variable in TensorFlow is in-memory buffers that have tensors. The whatever value will store in TensorFlow variable will vary as training going on. Now coming to the characteristics. So whatever variables we are going to develop or create in TensorFlow, all those variables must be initialized before going for using. And we can execute. Now if you can see that value of the variable on the screen, so we have to execute it by using session object. Now a variable is an instance of the class called variable. By using the class variable, we can create all the variables in TensorFlow. And it can store some data. We can represent data in multi-dimensional arrays with different dimensions. The value stored in variable will be saved in disk. Later, we can restore it and we can use for the purpose. So these are some characteristics of the variable. Now coming to the creating, how to create a variable in TensorFlow. Now here, so we can create a variable by using this one, tf.variable. So tf is a package of TensorFlow framework and variable is a class. So this is a syntax of creating a variable. Variable name and tf.variable. So this will create a variable name called variable-name. Now coming to the parameters. Now it requires two parameters. Creating a variable. The first one is what initial value, and second one name of the variable. So this is optional one. The second parameter is optional one, and the first one is what initial value. I'll tell you how to create the variable. First of all, we have to import TensorFlow. Yeah. So this statement indicates TensorFlow, and we have to write underscore. Yeah. I'll give an example on how to create a variable. Now, variable name is equal to tf dot the variable class. Now, I am giving here initial value 5. The name is second parameter is optional. Yeah, I am giving here a. Now, this indicates creating a variable. Yeah. So after creating a variable, then now if you want to see its value on the screen, generally if you write like this without creating a session a, the variable name is variable yeah, typing mistake is there here. Yes, yeah. So here, even though we created a variable with initial value 5, but it won't display its value. Now if you can see value on the screen, we have to create a session. So this print statement will display only shape of the variable and a type of integer type. Now if you can see its value on the screen, we have to create a session object. We have to create session. Yeah. So session ses is object tf dot. Yeah. Now ses is an object. Now after creating session, so we have to initialize it. We have to initialize the variable. Now coming to here, initialization, variable initialization. So by using this global underscore variable underscore initializer, so we can initialize the variables. Yeah. So this global underscore variable underscore initializer, this function initialize the all the global variables. That initialization means what here? It allocates memory for all the variables and it initialize, it sets the initial value. So this is very important. Without initializing all these global variables, so we cannot use it. Okay. So here I am writing. I'll copy this entire code and here I am initializing here. Yeah. Yes. So after creating session, then we have to initialize it. Yeah. Global variable initialization. Yeah. So here session dot run tf dot global underscore variables underscore initializer. Yeah. So this statement will indicate, will represent initializing the all the variables. Global underscore variables underscore initializer. Yeah. So after that we can see the value of the variable on the screen. Now if you can see the value of variable on the screen, again we have to run the variable. We have to execute it. So print says dot run method and variable name is what here? We create variable name is variable underscore name. Yeah. See here the value we have seen on the screen. So in this way we can create a variable in TensorFlow. So the first statement we have to import it. Then after that we have to create a a variable name. TF is a package and the variable capital V variable is a class. Now it requires two arguments. First one is the value and second one is the name. It is optional one. And after that, so we have to create a session. After creating session, then we have to initialize the global variable, all the variables. Without initialization, we cannot do anything. Right. So after that, if you want to see the value of the variable on the screen, then we have to run the variable. Yeah. The next one is what? Variable assignment. Now, coming to the variable assignment, so in order to update or increment or decrement a variable, so in TensorFlow, there are three methods are available. The first method is variable assign, and a variable dot assign underscore add variable dot assign underscore sub. So these three methods are very, very important to update, increment or decrement. Now we'll see one by one. Yeah. Same thing here. I'll write the entire code here. Yeah. Print says yes. Yeah, we have to initialize the global variable says dot run tf global underscore variables underscore initializer. Yes. Yeah. So this is the guide. Later, if you want update, update a variable, now we'll three methods are there: assign, add, and assign subtract. This we'll discuss one by one. Update a variable with a variable underscore assign method. Yeah, we'll see. So first of all, already I told we have to import TensorFlow, compat v1 as tf disable underscore v2 underscore behavior. After that, then we have to create a variable. Just I'm creating variable a is equal to tf variable initial value I'm giving here 10. Okay, then I'm taking another variable b is equal to tf dot variable I'm giving here 20. Right. Now after this you have to create a session. Yeah. Says tf dot session. Yes. Now here session is an object. Session is an object. TF is a package, and we can create session by using session class. So after that we have to create. We have to run the global variable underscore variables underscore initializer function. Yeah. Global variable underscore initializer. Yes. After that, then now if you want to see the value of the variable, yeah, we can see sys dot run variable name is what? A. Yes. Now another variable, if you want to see the value of the variable, same thing, print sys dot run B. Now you can see the value of A and B on the screen. So value of A is 10 and value of B is 20. Yeah. See 20 and 10 and 20. Now if you want to update it, update a variable using updating a variable, right? Yeah. Now it's very simple. Sys dot run variable name A dot assign. Now we can update. Just I am giving here 15. Yes. Now, so sys dot run a dot assign 15. Now here, now whatever variable you want to update it, so that variable name you have to mention here, and this is the assign method. So this assign method simply overrides the existing value of the variable. For example, here just now we created a variable name with a, we assigned a value 10. Already we displayed it like this. Now if you want to update it, now while developing a machine learning model, now if you want update a variable, now we can update it. Now this update method, assign method, simply override existing value. Now see, now if you can see that updated value, now simply you have to run sys dot run, the variable name is what, a. Yeah, see, so we got that. So previously the value of a is 10, later it is updated to 50. So like we can update a variable. Same thing here. Now if you want to update another variable b, so again we have to run. So we have to run it. So already we discussed about now if you want the total TensorFlow core programming divided into two discrete categories. First of all, we have to create a computational graph, then later we have to run the computational graph. So if you want to run the computational graph, we have to use run method. Okay, now so here run, now variable name b and assign. So previously that variable b value is 20, now I want update to 25. Okay, now if you want to see is it's updated value, again we have to run the variable b. Yeah, now we can see it. See here, now previously it was 20, now later it is updated to 25. So like we can update where. Now later if you want increments, increment the variable. Yeah. So by using variable dot assign underscore add, so we can increment the variable, existing variable value. Okay, now for this purpose we have to import TensorFlow dot compat dot v1 as tf dot disable underscore v2 underscore behavior. Okay, now we have to create a variable a1 tf dot variable initial value is 10. Okay, now I am creating a2 tf variable 20. Right, now after creating a variable, then we have to create a session with the object sys is equal to tf dot session. By using session class we can create a session. So after that we have to run the global variable with a global underscore variables underscore initializer method. I'll copy as it is here. Yes. Now if you want increment, the value of a and b, yes. So this is what variable initializer. Global variable initializer. After that, then we have to increment it. So we can increment the variable. Simply, so if you want to increment the variable, Now what is the variable name here? A1 and method assign underscore add. I am writing here 15. Okay. Now here display the incremented value of variable A. Right. Now if you want to see the variable value, simply we have to run A1. See. Now we got 20, right? Now actually its initial value is how much? 10, right? So while creating variable A1, I initialized with the 10. So later I want to increment its value. So by using this assign underscore add, we can add the value of existing variable. Now its previous value is 10. Now we are adding 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Now we got that result. Now same thing if you want increment variable B. So here we have to write A1 dot assign underscore add. I am writing here 30. So here actually that A1 value, A2 value is how much here? 20. A2 value existing, the current value is 20 and I want increment by 30. So 20 plus 30 is how much? 50. So 50 must be displayed on the screen. Yeah, if you see the value on the screen, says dot run A2. Now we'll see 50 on the screen. Yes, we got 50. So like we can increment the variable. Now coming to the next concept, decrement. Decrement the created variable, right? Yeah. I'll write the entire program as it is here. Yes. Now we have to create tf dot session and we have to initialize the global variable tf dot global underscore variables underscore initializer. Then after that, yes. Now we can decrement it here. Yes. So now I want to decrement both the variables, the value of A1 and value of A2. Okay. Now first of all, I want decrement value of A1 with a 5. The current value is 10. I want decrement the current value of 10 to 5. So here sys dot run tf dot, the variable name is A1. So A1 dot assign underscore sub by 5. So the current value is 10. I want increment its current value 10 to 5. Now see, once you see its current updated value, now print sys dot run. Now we'll see its updated decremented value. See here, it should be 5. Yeah, so it got some attribute error. Sys dot tf dot session. Yeah, here n has missed. Where here? Yes. Now, yes. So previously it was 10. Now after decrementing, now the current updated value is 5. right? Same thing if you want to decrement a2 value also we can do it. Says dot run a2 dot assign underscore sub by I want 8. Now the current value is how much here? 20. So 20 minus 8, 12. 12 should be displayed. Right? Print says dot run a2. Yes. Now you can see 20 minus 8. The result should be 12. Yes. Yes, we got 12. So like we can update a variable. Yeah. So this is the concept of a variable class in TensorFlow. Now later we'll create some computational operations on variable.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates. Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.